Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. Gemini, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Judgment, Four of Cups and Five of Cups in reverse. So Gemini, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. You are someone who is really a caring and a loving person. You respect the people around you and you respect their ideas or choices, and you listen to them, listen to their suggestions, and you are someone really honest, guys, truthful. So whatever your situation is, you think from your side, your opinion, and you think about the people concerned in that circumstance, and you do not want to harm anyone, and you think collectively for everyone together. So you have true intentions towards the people who are there with you, working with you in your career situation or the people in your personal life. So you are a honest and a loving person, guys, Gemini, and that may be the reason today whatever you are facing, there may be some difficulties, delays in your situation, guys, but whatever your situation is, guys, you may see great changes coming your way. So there are certain things worrying you, maybe something about your work or something about this person, this relationship, guys. So you may feel that this person is not honest, they are not truthful. So you may have some worries about this love, about this connection, or some worries about your work. So something is not going in the right way. So you may feel worried for that, guys. It's not up to your expectations. But Gemini, you need not worry today, because there is a change, just like I said before. There is a change coming. So it may be a positive change and things are moving towards something positive, guys, in your situation. So it may be some delays, suspensions in your work, or maybe some doubts or confusions with this person. Whatever it is, you are going to see things differently today, guys, and you are worried about your life, maybe about the past. You're brooding over that and you're not aware of what is right in front of you. So maybe the person you are really worried about, your ex, that person is coming back to you, guys. For most of you, I see your past love or your past person visiting you. Maybe they are still interested in you, and they may be, for some of you, they may want to reconcile with you, guys, get back to you. So they understand your worth and they are coming back to you. Or maybe for some of you, it may be a friend or a relative who has gone and whom you never had a contact for a long time. So that person is coming back. So some kind of relief you may feel seeing this person again, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have King of Pentacles in reverse. So in this connection, maybe with this person you love, it may be this past person coming back, or the person who is already in connection with you. Maybe the reasons for troubles or maybe some problems. Maybe this person has some addictions, guys, and they are unable to control these addictions, or they may be sick, suffering from some illness. Again, that may again be the reason for worries in this relationship. So if you change that situation, things are going to fall into place in your relationship, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Fool. So maybe in your career situation you are rushing towards some decisions, guys, but you should not do that. It may take you into some difficult circumstance. You must have that clarity before you decide on some important things in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation, you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.